Have you ever wanted to get into vending but kept hearing no before you even got started? This book offers a powerful solution to that problem. In just a few simple steps, you will learn the exact pitch that gets landlords and location owners to say yes almost every single time. First, understand why most vending pitches fail and what landlords actually care about. Next, discover the simple language and framing that turns hesitation into handshakes. Then, learn how to use this approach to lock in locations quickly and start generating income right away. With these tools, you down. Picture this. You walk into a business, have a friendly 5-minute conversation using down. Picture this. You walk into a business, have a friendly 5-minute conversation using the exact framework from this book, and leave with a signed agreement and a key to the back room. The owner is happy, you're happy, and your business just grew, again. Remember, it's not about being pushy. It's about showing people a win they hadn't thought of yet. The right pitch is a game changer. It creates partnerships, passive income, and momentum that compounds. Don't wait. Grab your copy of The Vending Pitch That Landlords Can't Refuse and start landing locations with confidence today.